This is the Galaxy S25 Edge, impressively slim. Talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Edge is just 5.8 millimeters thick, ultra-thin and extremely lightweight. Built with titanium and Gorilla Glass ceramic too, it's durable despite the slim form. Now talk about display. It has a 6.7-inch 1440 pi AMOLED screen with smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. An ultrasonic fingerprint scanner is built into the display, fast and reliable. Now talk about cameras. Main camera is 200 megapixels. Same sensor as S25 Ultra, captures sharp, detailed photos. No telephoto lens, just a 12 megapixel ultra-wide that supports macro shots. Now talk about battery. Battery is 3,900 milliamp hours. Smaller than usual, offers about 4.5 or 5 hours screen on time. No silicon carbon tech, so battery life suffers for the thin design. Now talk about software. Runs One UI 7. Fluid experience with a few iOS-inspired features like dynamic island clone. Performance and software experience are smooth, same as other S25 models. So, S25 Edge is stylish, thin, and feels amazing, but sacrifices battery life to get there. One of the last Samsung phones using the Edge name, this time for thinness, not curves. Best for users who value sleek design over maximum battery or zoom features.